I am going to unbox some stuff that I've been kind of collecting and saving up. We're going to unbox, and I'll start with this pile right here just so we can get it out of the way. We'll leave this little goodie for after. So this is something actually that I bought ages ago. I have a habit of buying every art supply known to man. They were a good buy, so I bought them. They're 12 water-soluble colored pencils by Prismacolor. So I will actually do a separate video, a swatching video with some of this stuff, and I'll set these aside for that. I'm on a mission to find good priced art supplies for beginners. I'm trying to find things that'll be the best value for your money. I have a watercolor, just a small Canson cold pressed watercolor paper. So it says repeat it washes color lifting, so we'll test that out too. Gray tone sketchbook. I'll just use that for drawing and stuff like that. I also bought black drawing paper. So here's two of the watercolor papers. Now, these actually say that they're 100% cotton and acid-free, and they're pretty reasonably priced, so I thought I would try those. I got a cold-pressed one and a hot-pressed one. This, you can't beat the value for the money. I have tried the cheaper Canson papers before, and they really just don't hold up, but I'm going to try this out for things like color charts and stuff like that. Techniques, no. You have to learn your techniques on the paper you're going to paint on, because if you don't, you're not going to get them down. We'll set that aside for now too. This is cold press watercolor by Fabriano. I like Fabriano artist grade paper, so I thought I'd throw them in the running too because they are quite reasonably priced. We'll set this stuff aside. This is all going to be tested, and we'll get to the goodies. This is Handmade Watercolors by Beam Paint. Now they're in Canada. Oh, isn't that sweet? Oh my goodness, I love their packaging. Oh, it's a little sample. Nice. Sally C. A sticker and a nice little thank you note. Oh, that's almost too cute to open. I love the little bag. And I have been just waiting to open this. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Nice. I cannot wait to test these out, but that again will be a different video. Let's see what else I got. This is a watercolor paint set, just metallics. I just thought it'd be fun. Now, these are the Pearl-Ex powdered pigments. You can add those to any type of paint. We'll try those out in another video too. This is Winsor Newton iridescent medium. I thought that it'd be good to mix that with the professional grade paint and compare it to the Pearl-Ex pigments. This is also part of the hunt. These are a couple of brushes, just Royal Soft Grip, and they were cheap. Let's see what's in my little bag. That's just a restock of my Phthalo Blue M. Graham. Betta Series, Stillman and Byrne Cold Press Journal. We'll set that aside. So these are the student grade paints. I have Winsor and Newton Cotman and the Van Gogh. I got comparable palettes in both, which is a split primary palette, warms and cools. They all have high light fast ratings. They are all either transparent or semi-transparent, so I'm quite excited about these. And I will make a video just swatching these out, just to compare them. That'll be probably my next video, so keep an eye out for that. When I finish it, I'll link it below. So is that it? I kind of get disappointed when you get to the bottom of the box. Thanks for stopping in, and I'll link the video when I'm done, and you can see what I think of these paints.